Hello children, today we want to talk about how to draw a timeline to find our start time. Okay, so let's get started. Now, my first question, what is 5 hours before 5:20 p.m.? Okay, we want to count backwards by 5 hours. Count backwards by 5 hours. Okay, so I'm going to do a little sneaky but incorrect but very useful kind of working at the side. 5 p.m. If I were to go back 5 hours, I can as if minus 5 and that will be 0. But we don't write 0, it will be 12 p.m. 5 hours before 5 p.m. will be 12 p.m. So 5:20 p.m., if I go back 5 hours, that will be 12:20 p.m. Notice that the minutes doesn't change, p.m. doesn't change. Okay? 5:20 p.m. is in the evening, 12:20 p.m. is in the afternoon. Now, next question. What is 6 hours before 5:20 p.m.? 6 hours is 6 hours minus 1 hour, minus 5 hours is simply 1 more hour. So I want to go back another hour to find the answer. Okay, so 12, I know that 12 p.m., if I minus 1 hour, that will give me 11 a.m. Okay, so 11, answer will be 11:20 a.m. Now, 12 minus 1 is 11, that is clear. Okay, the minutes don't change. However, take note of this. Here is where a lot of you will make a mistake because we are crossing over from AM to PM or PM to AM. Okay, so remember whenever we change from 12 to 11, we always change AM or PM. And vice versa. The other way around as well. 11 to 12, we also will change AM to PM. Alright, so this is always a crucial part that you must remember. What is 8 hours before 5:20 p.m.? 8 hours is 2 more hours from 6. So 11 a.m. minus 2 hours equals to 9 a.m. So if you go back 2 hours, that will be 9:20 a.m. We follow the a.m. The minutes remain the same, but the hours is now 9 a.m. Okay? Now, I want to tell you that this working over here, it sounds, oh, so simple. 5 minus 5, 12 minus 1, 11 minus 2. Alright? And all this gives me the very helpful answers over here. However, we can never write this down as the equation. This cannot be our equation. Okay? Why is that so? It's not mathematically correct. We never say 5 p.m. minus 5 hours. That doesn't make sense because we're using time to minus duration. Okay? But in our minds, we can see a proper way of saying this is actually 5 hours before 5 p.m. We can write this. That is okay. Or 1 hour before 12 p.m. is 11 a.m. That we can write. Okay? Let's see another example. What is 2 hours before 2:29 a.m.? I'm going to use my trick again. 2 hours. That will be 2. I see 2 over here. This is 2 a.m. minus 2 hours. That will be 0, but I don't write 0. There's no such thing as 0 a.m., but it's 12 a.m. So here, 12:29 a.m. Next, what is 3 hours before 2:29 a.m.? That is 1 hour more. So 12 minus 1 will be 11. That will be 11:29. I must change AM to PM. Then what is 8 hours before 2:29 a.m.? Now, 8 hours is 5 hours more. So I'm going to take 11 minus 5 equals to 6. Answer is 6:29 p.m. Okay, and these workings, do not use them, but in your head you can use them. Alright, one more. What is 7 hours before 7:49 a.m.? Give it a try. 7 hours. What is 8 hours? Let's go back another hour. And what is 10 hours? How many hours should we go back? 2 more hours. 7 plus 1 plus 2 is 10. Okay, now if I were to ask you just this question alone, what is 10 hours before 7:49 a.m.? I want you to be able to use for yourself. Let's go back 7 hours first. Then go back 1 more hour. And then go back what is left. Okay, so this one tells us our first step. Then go back 1 more hour and what is left, which is 10 minus 7 minus 1. Okay, now why do we do that? Because it is easy to remember. 7 hours before 7:49 a.m. is 12:49 a.m. 7 minus 7 equals to not 0 but 12. a.m. remains the same. Minutes remain the same. Go back 1 hour, that will be 11:49, and we change a.m. to p.m. Then go back another 2 hours, that will be 11 minus 2 equals to 9. 9:49 remain as p.m. Okay? Now, what is 25 minutes before 11:25 p.m.? Now we look at minutes. Okay? So, 25 minutes will simply remove all the minutes and give us 11 p.m. Now, what is 50 minutes before 11:25 p.m.? 50 minus 25 is equal to 25. So I need to go back another 25 minutes. What is 25 minutes to 11 p.m.? That will be 10:35 p.m. Okay? 10:35 p.m. How do I get that? Make 60. 60 minus 25 is equal to 35. That's how I got my 35. And 10 is just the hour before 11 p.m. Another example, what is 20 minutes before 11:20 a.m.? Go back 20 minutes, that will be 11 a.m. Then what is 48 minutes before? 48 minus 20 is equals to 28. How do we go back 28 minutes? 60 minus 28 is equals to 32. So my answer will have 32 minutes. And since it's from 11 a.m., 1 hour before that will be 10:32. And the answer is in a.m. Okay, it's still in the morning. Now, I hope this helps. Give it a try. Please answer the questions as best as you can. Have a good day.